Hey guys, greetings from the woods. Finally I have more time. My wife and daughter are not at home. It's beautiful weather. What should I do? Let's go outside. So what I would like to show you is this small companion for EDC. It's really pocket size. You don't even feel it if you have it there. It's not a problem. Yeah. Now what I wanted to try, this is different. It has a lock blade mechanism, so it won't lock on itself if you push. I'm pushing, nothing happens. You have to push hard down, first stage, second stage, and then it's locked. It has standard utensils or utilities like other Victorinoxes have. Tweezers, toothpick. This one has a screwdriver, sharp oval with a hole, so you can use it for sewing, but actually I never did that. I'm just using the screwdriver, knife, scissors, sometimes toothpick and tweezers. This one is for opening bottles, but I'm not drinking those styles of bottles, so I'm not using it. Can opener, yes, I could use it, but most of the cans we have here, they are like you can peel the top lid off, so you don't need a can opener. What I'm using actually is the pretty scissors. This was also the reason why I chose this model. I had a small Victorinox which is keychain size, but it's just like a string, and this wasn't working perfectly after many years of usage. Maybe I should replace it. This one is different, it's like really metal. This one here, I really like it so far. This is some guiding mechanism, and these are serrated. So far I'm pretty satisfied. Then for taking care of your nails, but yeah, I'm not using this knife. I have a separate tool for this. Alright, let's see if I can have good breakfast with it. First the more tasty food, then you can get to the salad. Already washed it at home, because here in this wood we don't have like clear water spring, so I would have to boil the water probably. Something for the hungry folks. Well, it did help me to open the package. It's not the biggest size. Probably, as you can see, I have to clean it before I close it. This is the negative of pocket knives or folding knives, but the fat is actually not that bad. Tasty. Want some? Enjoy, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I'm back from the wood. I cleaned the rest of the fat with a toothpick. Let's see how much does the knife weigh. It's 275 ounces, which is 78 grams. Is the centimeters.